Hey, welcome. My name is Fran and I want to show you really quickly how you can enable or disable the opt-in verification from your GetResponse account. So let's hop into my screen here and just find the list you want to do this for. And this is the list I'm using for the tutorial. Let's go over here to the settings, and in subscription, you'll find here that I don't want this to send me subscription notifications. By the way, you need to save each of these tabs. This is what happened when I recorded the previous video. I saved it here, but I didn't save in subscription. So now once you deactivate this, and in the case of the double opt-in, which is right here, you'll have to save here in the same window, the same tab. So here you can enable web subscriptions or enable API subscriptions or disable them. API subscriptions are those who subscribe to your list through a third-party service which you can integrate with. Let's say you have a landing page creator, or in my case I use ClickFunnels to get my opt-ins. So I have a video showing how to integrate GetResponse with ClickFunnels and with WordPress, another video. So basically, that integration is done through an API. It's not a native integration. So we get the API key, and if you want that one to be a double opt-in but not the direct integration, the web subscriptions, you'll just put it here. Otherwise, if you don't want it, if you disable double opt-in here. You just save subscriptions and that's it. There's no more double opt-in on this list. If you want them all opted with double opt-in, just put it like this and save subscription settings. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and find more videos about more GetResponse tutorials in my channel. Subscribe for it right here, and check out this video that might be interesting for you. And also, if you want to learn how to create a passive income from your content, I'll be talking a lot about that in this channel. So subscribe.